We've all been there, staring at those old dusty window blinds that seem to attract dirt like a magnet. They're a constant source of frustration, with their cords tangling, slats bending, and that dated look that brings down the entire room's appearance. Not to mention the tedious task of cleaning between each individual slat, only to have dust settle again within days. For many homeowners, these aging window treatments are more than just an eyesore. They're a daily reminder of needed home improvements. You might find yourself, like many others, dreaming of a more sophisticated, elegant solution that doesn't require constant maintenance and better complements your home's style. That's where Plantation shutters come in, offering a remarkably simple transformation for your windows. Professional installation is quick and precise, with expert installers carefully measuring each window to ensure a perfect fit. The process is seamless, from mounting the frame to securing each panel, resulting in a custom-fitted window treatment that looks like it was always meant to be there. The transformation is truly remarkable. Gone are the dated, dust-collecting blinds, replaced by elegant white Plantation shutters that instantly elevate the entire room's appearance. Notice how the filtered sunlight creates beautiful patterns across your floor and furniture, adding a touch of sophistication that only Plantation shutters can provide. One of the most appealing features of Plantation shutters is their incredibly smooth and intuitive operation. With just a gentle touch, you can easily adjust the louvers to control the exact amount of light entering your room. Whether you want to flood your space with natural light or create a more intimate atmosphere, these shutters respond effortlessly to your desired settings. The benefits of Plantation shutters extend far beyond their beautiful appearance. These timeless additions are built to last, crafted from durable materials that stand up to daily use while maintaining their pristine appearance. They're excellent insulators, helping to keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, potentially reducing your energy bills. Plus, they're a valuable investment that can significantly increase your home's resale value, making them a smart choice for any homeowner looking to enhance their property's curb appeal. Here's an exciting benefit many homeowners don't know about. You could qualify for a 30% federal tax credit when you upgrade to energy-efficient Plantation shutters. This significant savings opportunity makes these beautiful window treatments an even smarter investment, literally paying you back while enhancing your home's comfort and appearance. Imagine starting each day in a beautifully transformed space, where filtered sunlight creates the perfect ambiance for your morning routine. Plantation shutters don't just change your windows, they enhance your entire living experience, bringing together functionality, elegance, and timeless style in one perfect package. It's time to elevate your home with the enduring beauty of Plantation shutters.